Hey everyone, it's Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, and today we are going to unbox this little gem that I've been talking about. You know, sometimes my fly by the seat of my pants thing really works out. Because even when I don't plan, it's like I did. So if you're interested, stick around. So anybody who follows my channel may or may not know that we are doing Rebecca's Developing Good Health for our health class. So we got to a certain section in our book today.
Yeah.
And that's why I said sometimes it looks like a plan, but I really didn't plan this. I just saw this particular thing when I was at Ollie's and I fell in love with it. And I thought, you know what, we will definitely use it at some point. And I thought maybe I would just be sharing with you. But it's actually going to fit right in with our curriculum. So today we were learning about the skeleton.
Yeah, the skeleton.
Her job today is actually to label a skeleton.
Yeah.
So I figured, why not open this up, because there's a little model skeleton and what fun it would be to actually have hands on, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to open it up. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Hoper to Bopeners
I've been ready ever since I saw this.
She has. She's been like, when? Okay, so it's all tape. Hold on. We gotta
Oh, we have to build it.
Why would they put tape over the stickers? Just saying. Hold on. I gotta do it carefully.
Oh! Oh! No!
See what it did?
We
All
lost
right.
the intestines!
Yes. Notice. It's stuck to the tape. Well, dag nabbit. Go get the scissors really quick and carefully get the scissors. But see, use these stickers to complete the front of the human body poster, which, you know, we're going to do. But now I'm going to have to, like,
Carefully cut it out.
Yes, carefully cut it out. All right. Okay, let me take that piece of tape for me. See the stuff that happens to me? That had absolutely nothing to do with me being a fly by the seat of my pants type girl. Technical errors. So anyways, here's this. Here is
our skeleton that we have to build.
our skeleton. How fun is that?
And let's build it.
We are. And look at the inside of the box. I just thought this is fun. Yeah, neat. That's really cool.
Oh, Grammy, there's more stickers.
I know. This
that are not
is
taped to the box.
Use these stickers to build your own skeleton on the back of the poster. So not only are you going to be building
Hey, Grammy,
the
we have
tape
to
and
take this. And
yeah,
then
I
we
know.
have to cut this out.
So not only are you building a skeleton, but you're also going to be doing sticker skeleton.
And then we have to also cut these out.
Yep. And so there is the stand to put the skeleton on. Here are a bunch of flashcards, which, you know what? Let me open them really quick.
Why are there cards?
To expand your cranium.
How would you expand it?
You can't.
We're
I'm
not
messing
even
with you.
going to that.
Expand your mind. But like, cell tells you what it is. Skeleton. These are really nice. Keratin. The eye. Cerebellum. Cerebrum. Melanin. Platelets. Senses. Blood. Genes. Veins. Tendons. Valves. Neurons.
Hey, Grammy.
Digestion.
It will take forever to make it.
Carbon dioxide, vitamins, lymph nodes, and intestines. So all of that is included in all of these little cards.
Wow.
How fun is that? So I guess we're going to take a pit stop in this section of our health and do some of this stuff because it'll be fun. So let's open this up. So here is the side for the stickers. The first set of stickers that I was showing you. The human body stickers. So all of these will go on this part of the poster. And then on the back,
Ooh!
yeah, isn't that fun? Is the skeleton poster.
No, I'm talking about the white.
Ooh, it's like Halloween
Yeah.
in September. Woo. Okay, so how fun is that? And it's going to be perfect because we're going to be labeling our bones on here.
Yes.
Labeling our bones in here.
Grammy, you're hitting me.
Sorry.
You.
But how neat is this? I'm like so excited that I mistakenly planned. Imagine that. And then here's an Adventures in Science, the Human Body. So, oh my goodness. What a big mouth you have. So you know what I'm going to do? Let me flip this around really quick and I'll show you the inside of this book. And so I'm not going to like show you us putting all this stuff together. I'll come back afterwards. She's been doing that a lot lately. She's such a yawny girl. I'm going to come back afterwards and show you, you know, our projects as we finish them. And maybe as we're putting the skeleton together, maybe we will show you that, but us putting the stickers on and stuff. But let me flip this around really, really quickly and I will show you the inside of this book. Ollies. Gotta love Ollies. Okay, so let me just give you a quick peek. You're gonna get a peek while I get a peek because I haven't even looked at this book myself yet. But Adventures in Science, the Human Body. So it's going to have the introduction to the human body, cells, genes, and tissues, skin, hair, and nails, bones, joints, and the skeleton, the 5 senses, muscles, tendons, and ligaments, the brain, the heart and blood, the lungs, the immune system, stomach and digestion, getting rid of waste, exercise, and keeping healthy, a glossary, and a skeleton model instructions from when we put our skeleton together. But look at this book. I'm like so excited. So we're just going to take a real quick detour in our health book. And we're actually going to do this book because I'm really excited to do this book with Hope. This is going to be lots of fun. Look at this great picture of a cell. How awesome is that? Woohoo. Nice, nice, nice illustrations. So I highly suggest to you that if you have an Ollie's nearby, you go see if they have this because this is amazing. And I can actually do the haul that shows you, you know, how much it was and whatever, because I don't remember off the top of my head. Super nice book. Wow, look at all the detail. Perfect. I am loving this. I just love when homeschool works out this way. You know, that you get something, you think, oh, I'm going to use this. I just don't know when I'm going to use this. And then, you know, it just kind of falls into your lap and then you get to take a detour. You know, something that you wouldn't be able to do under normal circumstances. But with homeschool, you can take all the side roads that you want. It's awesome. Just a beautiful little book. Just amazing. Let's see what else we got going on. Exercise and keeping healthy. It talks about nutrition. And here's your glossary. So like a little mini dictionary in the back with all of your terms. And then how to put your skeleton together is in the back. How neat is this? Okay, so we're going to put together our skeleton. We're going to attempt to do this, right? Are you ready? So right. That's going to be the first piece. So here's our directions.
And they're not very good directions.
And here's our stand. So go ahead and like put that in there.
Okay.
All right. So
put it in.
You did. So it's just like a cylinder. Okay, so go ahead and set it down for a minute. And it looks like we need the pelvis. Can you find the pelvis? Sorry, my nose is itchy. Yes, that would be the pelvis.
Okay. weird looking pelvis, but okay.
We are going to set the pelvis
at the bottom, right?
Yes. Ah. All right. And then we need to give him some legs. So why don't you find his legs?
Okay, so these are hands. These look like legs.
Yeah, there's some legs. So here's one leg. Okay, show him the other leg. Okay, so you're gonna attach it into the hip sockets.
Okay.
There should be a hole. See right here? Right.
Oh, it's right there. I was attaching it into the wrong hole, people. No!
I didn't say we were going to be good at this.
No.
All right. Now, they go in here, but I don't want to break it, so. Aha! Leg number one. Ta-da! So go ahead and see if you can get leg number 2 in there. You got to push it kind of hard. Come on, muscles.
Muscles.
Muscly muscles.
Mm.
No, you want me to do it?
Yep.
Alright, gotta make sure his legs are both going in the same direction. It would look really funny if he had one leg going one way and one going the other way. I'm weak. I guess I need to start working out. Alright.
Yeah.
I really do. Honestly, I really do. I'm, getting fluffy. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so the next thing is find the spinal cord, my little darling.
I found the spinal cord.
Okay, spinal cord.
Now, I guess that goes through here because that's the bigger one.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Hey, Grammy.
Yes, darling.
Can I put this part on?
There we go. All right, so I'm going to show y'all what we got so far. Okay, so then you need to snap on the ribs. So we got 2 sets of ribs.
I'll snap on the ribs.
Yep.
I think that they go right here.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Before I break the ribs.
All right, let's put them together first.
They go in those little holes.
Yeah. I'm assuming we need to find
Tape.
I don't know. Hey, we never said that we were professionals here at the Homeschooling Grammy. We just said that we'd bring you along for the ride.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right.
Maybe we need some tape.
No, maybe Grammy needs to grow some muscles.
Yeah! Like Poppy.
All right, let me pause. Okay. I'm just flubbing all over the place. I recorded this whole piece, or at least I thought I was, but I really wasn't. And you know what I say? If you can't have a little fun doing school, what's the point? So, after much trial and error.
And surgery.
We have him put together, except for his head. So I'm going to put this in a place that you probably don't want to pull. We're going to stick him in here.
And his butt cheeks.
No, poor guy. All right, so now we just need to put on his skull. We have his skull put together. We have his jaw put together. Yes, and here we go. And I have to say, we had a lot of fun, because what fun is school if you're not laughing and giggling and being silly? Because it's fun, and that's the whole point. Learning and having fun at the same time. He's pretty
Yes.
cool. Like, you know, for the price that I got this kit for, I'm very impressed. Was a little tricky getting his rib cage together. Yeah, it was. I'm not gonna lie.
One time,
The
Grammy
clavicle went.
broke
His clavicle went flying. But hey, all's good. He's now all in one piece. What are you doing?
And now,
Yes, we'll work on the stickers. But anyways, I just want to at least show you this part. How fun is that? So if you get a chance and you can get to Ollie's and you can grab this, you can have a lot of fun with your kids in the process. Have some giggles, you know. So anyways, I hope that this is a blessing to you. God bless. Take care. We will talk to you again soon. Say bye.
bye.